Do you want Apple CarPlay on your 2016 to 2018 Subaru Forester? Check it out. This is wireless Apple CarPlay. The Hamilton upgrade kit is going to come with wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto. And we'll show you in another video how to install it in your 2016 to 2018 Subaru Forester. No matter which app you use for maps, whether Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, or otherwise, you'll have access now to beautiful, safe navigation. This is so much better than the factory system. Of course, Siri or the Google Voice Assistant will read your directions.
Starting route. Proceed to Corporation Parkway, then take the first right.
This looks so much better than the original system. No matter which app you use for music, whether Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, or otherwise, it'll automatically show all of your music here. And you can easily see your beautiful cover art here. Coming back home, this system allows you to use Siri with just the push of a button. Hey Siri, what's the weather like in Raleigh?
The National Weather Service has issued an extreme heat warning. It's currently clear and 96 degrees. Temperatures are heading down from 95 to 81 degrees tonight.
Because our system uses your factory microphone, Siri can hear you effortlessly, and phone calls and text messages are a breeze. Any app that has a CarPlay component will automatically show up here in CarPlay. So you can see any app that you might use in your personal or business life. If the developers have made a CarPlay side, it will show up here. This is your split screen view where you can see your nav next to your now playing music. And this is the new Apple Widgets feature. You can see the various widgets available here in CarPlay. The Hamilton upgrade kit allows you to long hold the voice speech button for 3 seconds and go back to the factory operating system at any time. You won't lose any of your factory features. All of your factory controls, including your steering wheel controls, will continue to work. We're going to have a full installation video on our YouTube channel. This system is designed right here in Raleigh, North Carolina, engineered using top-of-the-line components, and we back it with a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. It means we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. This system will give you wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 919-858-2890. You can check us out at hamiltonmotorcompany.com. We sell these for almost every version of Subaru, Lexus, and Toyota. I'll see you in the next video.